Yeah.
Hey, let's check oil because it's coming off its lowest settled since March 8th. Joining me now, John Hofmeister, former Shell Oil president. John, the question everyone asks when they see you, how low is it going to go?
Well, I hope we're at the bottom, Charles. This is I come at it as an operator, not a trader or an investor. As an operator, these prices are getting to the point where we're going to start seeing people pull in their drilling rigs and simply not put more money, especially into deep water. So I don't think we can really sustain this low price, and I think we won't. In fact, we can understand why it fell because of the relief on the Iranian sanctions with waivers to 8 countries, with the increase from Saudi Arabia because of Trump's request, and of course our own Permian Basin keeps pumping it out, and we're at all-time record highs in U.S. production. So it's understandable that we've had a temporary glut, but I don't think it's going to continue.
Let me jump in there because, it's understandable to a degree, but it wasn't long ago when we were talking about these Iranian sanctions and a lack of supply taking us to West Texas through 75, next step 100. Why is it down this precipitously?
Well, I think it really has mostly to do with the Iranian sanctions. People were pumping up that price, trading up that price, I should say, on the expectation that 1, if not 2 million barrels would come off the market. That's not going to happen now based upon the waivers. And so suddenly you've got this expectation of shortage that's gone away. And so for a short period of time here, there's some relief from that. And I think it depends what the Trump administration does with respect to the waivers going forward.
They did suggest that they were all temporary, so maybe they will slowly come off. In the meantime, I think a rig count went down 1 U.S. oil well last week. Where's equilibrium? Because to your point, the industry seems to adjust fairly quickly, and when it gets too cheap, they stop drilling, and when it gets too expensive, the demand starts to go away. Where's equilibrium, do you think?
Well, first of all, let's remember that in the Permian Basin, with all the shale formations, it's still a struggle to have positive cash at this number between 60 and 70. I think equilibrium is in the $80 range in today's world, plus $80 will give some certainty to the offshore developments that I think we need over time. So I'm in the camp of 80 plus from an operator's point of view, and then I think we'll be sailing smoothly. Americans will have a good supply, the world will have a good supply, and I don't think the price at the pump will be out of range.
All right, John Hofmeister, always great to get your expertise on this. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.